When it comes to landing page software, there are two major players that come up frequently: Unbounce and Instapage. But the real question is, which one is the best for your business? You've probably come across both of them and are trying to decide which fits your needs. Stick around because I'm going to compare Unbounce and Instapage head to head, and by the end, I'll share an alternative that might just be a game changer. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Both Unbounce and Instapage are designed to help you create stunning landing pages without needing a developer, but they have their differences. Instapage is often praised for its user-friendly interface. It's a drag-and-drop builder that feels intuitive, even if you're a beginner. You can create pages quickly with very little learning curve. On the other hand, Unbounce is also quite user-friendly, but it can feel a bit more cluttered and overwhelming for some users, especially if you're new to landing page builders. It offers a lot of customization options, which is great, but it can make the learning process a bit more time-consuming. So, if you're looking for something with a smoother, faster setup, Instapage takes the edge here. Next thing, let's talk about templates and customization. Both platforms offer a wide variety of templates, but Unbounce really stands out in this department. They have an extensive library of templates, and while Instapage does offer templates, Unbounce's collection might be better suited for more niche industries. It's also worth mentioning that Unbounce has the edge when it comes to customization. Their tools give you more control over the design, and it's great if you have specific requirements for your landing page. However, if you're more concerned with creating a simple landing page without too many bells and whistles, Instapage might be the better choice since it's easier to get something decent up and running. The fourth thing we need to discuss is A/B testing. If you're optimizing landing pages for conversions, A/B testing is crucial. Both Unbounce and Instapage have A/B testing features, but Unbounce gives you more flexibility in terms of testing variations. Unbounce allows you to test multiple versions of your landing page, and it's a feature that's easy to use for marketers who want to dig deeper into their data. Instapage A/B testing is a bit more limited in comparison. While it still offers testing, the platform isn't as robust as Unbounce when it comes to detailed comparisons and actionable insights. So, for anyone serious about fine-tuning landing pages for the highest conversion rates, Unbounce definitely wins this round. Next up, let's talk about pricing. Both Unbounce and Instapage come with a pretty hefty price tag, but Unbounce does offer more affordable plans for smaller businesses. Instapage, on the other hand, can get expensive, especially if you're looking for advanced features. Both platforms offer free trials, but with Instapage, you might feel like you're paying a premium for features that are not always necessary unless you're in the enterprise space. Unbounce plans are more budget-friendly for those just starting out, but Instapage could be a better investment if you need top-tier enterprise features. Now, the big question: which one is the best landing page software? Well, both are solid choices depending on what you need. If you're looking for a user-friendly, simple-to-setup option that gets the job done quickly and without complexity, Instapage might be a better fit. But if you're someone who wants more customization, more control, and a better A/B testing tool, then Unbounce is definitely the one to go for. That being said, after trying both Unbounce and Instapage myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there, and I think it's worth considering. If you want an even better landing page experience with a free trial, click the link in the description below. You'll get access to exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else, and I'm sure it will take your landing pages to the next level. Don't miss out.